Morning students. In last lecture, we already discussed about the coordination of movement. Different part of nervous system. Only nervous system able to balance our body. Yes. Different part of nervous system. CNS, central nervous system, autonomic nervous system, peripheral nervous system. But in this lecture, we have to discuss about the sense organs. So first of all, we have the 5 sense organs, ear, nose, tongue, skin. It's very important for us, like a windows, our windows of our world. We are able to see, we are able to hear, we are able to taste skin like this. Yes. So first of all, we have to discuss about eyes. Eyes help to see various objects in our surrounding. Sensation of sight is there. The eyes is the organ of the sight is there. We are able to see with the help of eyes only. It has following parts. First is the eyebrows. Eyebrows is there. Yes, prevent the sweat from running into the eyes. The sweat not go into the eyes. Yes. And eyelashes, that and eyelids. Eyelashes are there, Eyelids, this one only. Protect the eyes from dust and the strong light to enter in the eyes. In front of portion of the eyes lies a circular and transparent region. Yes, this is structure. First of all, this structure is there. First, transparent region is there. That is a cornea. Cornea is there. Yes. Transparent region called cornea. The colored circle of the eyes is called iris. Yes. This one part is the iris. And the space between them is the pupil. And this is the lens. Convex lens is there. Yes, lens is there. Made up of cellulose mainly. Yes, made up of cellulose. Yes, the black spot in the center of the eyes is called pupil. That is a black spot only. Opening, you can say that. Yes. It has opening through which the light move inside our eyes. From here only the light move inside. And the lens form the image on retina. And from the retina, the message goes to the one sensory nerve is there, that is optic nerve. Through optic nerve it goes to the brain. Then we are able to form the image of any object in the brain. Yes. Pupil is the space between the iris is there. Yes. Iris control the amount of light can pass through the pupil. Take care is about this. Iris control the amount of light. If increase, the pupil size increases there. Yes. The colored part of the iris is due to pigment only. One pigment present is there. This is a reason why the people have eyes of the different color. Because of that only. A sensory nerve called the optic nerve carry the message from eyes to the brain. Yes, here one liquid is there, aqueous humor. Here one liquid is there, vitreous humor. Yes, here the choroids are there. Yes, this one. One is the ciliary muscles are there, which adjust the lens, increase or decrease the length of the convex lens. Yes. Yes, this one pupil, this one iris. Yes, cornea is there. Eyelids are there. Yes. So these are the parts of the eye. So we have to take care of the eyes also. We have to daily wash the eyes with the water to remove the dirt. And we not see the TV from all. We have to maintain the distance of 10 feet about. And one thing, and not read anything in the moving car or any moving vehicle. Okay, so we have to take care of our eyes. Yes, daily wash with the water, evening and morning also, and not try to read in the dim light. So these are the care of eyes. You have to care our eyes. This is the topic, eye, sense organ, eye. In the next lecture, we have to discuss about the next sense organ, that is the ear.